Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the Wien's bridge. Actually this bridge is used for the measurement of frequency. So let us discuss. So here it is the circuit diagram of the Wien's bridge. Okay, all the elements, that is R1, C1, R3, R4, R2 and C2, these are the known values we are having, and R3 is a variable one. Okay, here the supply voltage we are having VAC, and our task is to find the frequency of this VAC. Okay, so here we are going to vary the R3 in such a way that this detector will show the zero reading. Okay, so now if you check here Z1, we can write Z1 is equal to R1 plus 1 upon j omega C1, right? Similarly, we can write Z2 is equal to 1 upon, yes, it is R2 in parallel with C2. Okay, so it is 1 upon 1 by R2 plus j omega C2, right? Similarly, we can write for Z3, which is equal to R3, and Z4 is equal to R4. Okay, at bridge balance, we know at bridge balance, so we are having Z1 Z4 is equal to Z2 Z3, right? So we can write Z1 Z4. Z1 is R1 plus 1 upon j omega C1, okay, is into Z4, that is R4, is equal to Z2, that is 1 upon 1 by R2 plus j omega C2, okay, into we are having Z3. Z3 is nothing but R3. Okay, so further we can write it as taking the cross multiplication. Okay, we can take the cross multiplication here. Okay, so we can write it as R1 plus 1 upon j omega C1 into R4 is equal to R2 upon, yes, R2 upon, it is 1 plus j omega C2 R2, okay, into R3, right? Now can we shift this term to the left hand side? Yes, so we can write it as, therefore it is R1 plus 1 upon j omega C1 into R4 into 1 plus j omega C2 R2 is equal to R2 into R3. Okay, so next we can write it as taking the multiplication. So it is like R1 plus 1 upon j omega C1 into R4 plus, yes, j omega C2 R2 R4 is equal to R2 into R3. Okay, further we can write it as, therefore it is R1 R4 plus j omega C2 R2 R4 R1, right, plus R4 upon j omega C1, okay, right, R1 R4 plus R1 into this term, okay, plus R4 into this term plus j omega and j omega, it will get cancelled out. Okay, so it is like C2 R2 R4, C2 R2 R4 divided by C1, okay, is equal to R2 into R3, right? Next, further, if we check here, we are having real terms and imaginary terms. This is the real term at the left hand side, this is the real, this is also the real term at the left hand side, and this is the real term at the right hand side. If you check the imaginary terms, left hand side we are having the imaginary terms, this one and this one, and whereas there is no imaginary term at the right hand side. Okay, so separating real and imaginary terms, real and imaginary terms. Okay, so we can write here j omega c2 r2 r4 r1, okay, plus r4 upon j omega c1 is equal to 0, right? This is equal to 0, right? Because at the right hand side we don't have the imaginary term. So further we can write it as therefore j omega c2 r2 r4 r1, okay, c2 r2 r4 r1 is equal to minus r4 upon j omega c1. Okay, so further we can write it as, can we shift this my j 1 by j to the numerator side, so it will become minus j. Okay, so it is like j omega c2 r2 r4 r1 is equal to, yes, j into r4 upon omega into c1. Okay, next, so here j will get cancelled out, right? This j and this j will get cancelled out, right? Next, shifting this omega to this side, so it is like omega square, okay, into c1 c2 r1 r2 r4 is equal to r4. R4 will get cancelled out. Okay, so therefore we can write it as omega square is equal to 1 upon c1 c2 r1 r2, c1 c2 r1 r2. This is the omega square, so therefore omega is equal to 1 upon under root c1 c2 r1 r2, or we can write f also frequency in hertz, that is the f is equal to omega is 2 pi f. Okay, so f is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root c1 c2 r1 r2, right? So this is the expression for the frequency, right? Unknown frequency of the supply, right? This is the omega in radian per second, and this is the frequency in hertz value. Okay, so friends, this is about the Wien's bridge, which is used for the measurement of the frequency. Okay, so if you check, this bridge is used for the measurement of frequency from 100 hertz to 100 kilohertz, 100 hertz to 100 kilohertz, right? Frequency it measures, right? 100 hertz to 100 kilohertz. Okay, so in some of the exams they have asked the question, right? They will give you the table, and they will show which bridges are used for the inductance measurement, for capacitance measurement, and for frequency measurement, etc. Okay, thank you.